Hello everyone, welcome back to API testing with Postman series. In the last video we understood what an API is using a very simple example, right? Now in this video we are going one step ahead. We will understand how API actually works using something called HTTP methods. Okay, don't worry, I'll explain everything in a very simple and practical way to you guys. So let's go back to our restaurant example once again. Imagine you are sitting at a restaurant and interacting with the waiter. Now depending what you want, your action changes. Okay, so if you want to see the menu, if you want to order food, if you want to update your order, or if you want to cancel your order, so these actions are exactly like HTTP methods. So don't worry, let's map this with our HTTP methods. Okay, so for example, get is nothing but you are just viewing the menu. Post means you are placing a new order. Put means you are updating your order, and delete means you are canceling your order. Simple, right? Let's get into much technical terms. HTTP method defines what actions you want to perform on the server. Get is nothing but fetching the records or fetching the data. Okay, post means nothing but the create the new data or create a new resources in your application. Put means update the existing data or records. Okay, and delete means remove the existing data from the applications. Okay, so let's jump on the one real world example. Suppose you are using a shopping app, right? When you open a product, it nothing but it calls the get API, get method. Okay, when you add item into the cart, it's nothing but your post method is getting called. When you change the quantity, let's suppose you had added two quantities in the cart and you are changing the quantity 2 to 1, so it's nothing but you are updating the product quantity. It's nothing but the put method. Okay, when you are removing item, you have added 2 to 3 items in the cart and you want to remove one of the item from them, so you just use the delete method. Every actions you perform is actually an API call. You can't see this, but it happens in the background. Okay, in Postman you will see these methods at the top like get, post, put and delete while testing the APIs. So choosing the correct method is very important while testing the APIs. Don't worry, we will go deeper into the Postman in the next video. So in this video we learn what our HTTP methods are, how they work. We have seen a real life example. Okay, in the next video we are going to send our first API request in Postman step by step. So stay tuned. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Testing Unlock. Thank you so much. See you in the next lecture, guys.